Dear student, today I will discuss some concept on circle. Okay, circle is very much important. That in exam, that from circle many question will come. So you have to understand very carefully. Circle, you know that triangle, rectangle, square we have. So circle also a plane figure, but in case of circle, no straight line, and it is not a polygon. Circle is not a polygon. So curved line. In the middle of the circle there will be a fixed point, and these are rotating. So a fixed point, this fixed point on which a circle will be drawn, called center. Center, 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 center of the circle. And if you measure the length, that a point on the circle and the center, a point on the circle and center, you, if suppose this is 3 centimeter, this also will be 3 centimeter. If you measure this way, then this also will be 3 centimeter, this also will be 3 centimeter. The point on the circle and the center distance always same distance will be there, and these are called radius. These are called radius. Radius of the circle. Okay, now center and radius we discussed. Now diameter. A line that is from one point on the circle and another point on the circle, if we add, and the line, if it will pass through the center, if the line passes through the center, then this will be the diameter. So this one is one diameter of the circle. Similar way, this one also a diameter of the circle, this one also a diameter of the circle. So many diameter we can draw. We can draw many diameters. So all are diameter. All are diameter of the circle. So diameter means 2 points you have to take on the circle. One point this side, another point opposite side. And if we add these 2 points, one straight line we will get, one line segment we will get, and this will passes through the center. Obviously it will pass through the center, otherwise this will not be the diameter. So diameter, all the diameter and length of all the diameter are same. Length of all the diameter, length of all radius same. Length of all radius same. Similar way, length of all diameters same. If it is 10 centimeter, suppose this one 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This one also will be 5 centimeter. This one also will be 5 centimeter. All will be same. So length of all radius same, and as well as length of all the diameter also same. Now chord of the circle. This one center. So any 2 point on the circle, if we add any 2 point, So these are called chord. Chord of the circle. This one also chord. So if we add any 2 point on the circle, then a line segment will get. This is called chord. And chord may be also the diameter. If it passes through the center, then this one also chord as well as diameter. So chord and diameter both. If it passes through the center, that will be chord as well as diameter. But all the chords are not diameter. This one a chord, not diameter. This one also a chord, not diameter. This one also a chord, not diameter. So all the chords are not diameter. All the chords are not diameter. All the chords are not diameter. Okay. Now, but diameter is a chord. Diameter is a chord. And diameter is the longest chord. Longest chord of the circle. Longest chord of the circle. Diameter is a chord and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So if you draw a circle, so diameter length will be maximum and this one less than diameter, this one less than, this one also less than diameter. So if the diameter, you will find that length of diameter is always the greater than other chord. Suppose this one, if we measure the boundary of the circle, if we measure, this is called circumference. Circumference of the circle. So boundary, the length of the boundary, total length of the boundary of a circle is called circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Now, relation between radius and diameter. This one radius, suppose 3 centimeter. This one also 3 centimeter. Total 6 centimeter. Okay. From here, O A B. OA equal to OB equal to 3 centimeter. OA radius, OB also radius. Okay, but AB diameter. AB is diameter and length of AB is 6. That is 3 plus 3. Okay, 6 centimeter. So what we can say? 2 into radius equal to diameter. 2 times radius is equal to diameter. 2 times radius is equal to diameter. Suppose radius equal to 5 centimeter. Then diameter will be 2 times of radius, 5 you multiply by 2, or 2 you multiply by 5, 2 into radius, 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. But if diameter is equal to suppose 12 centimeter, then radius will be 12 divided by 2, that is 6 centimeter. So if radius given, if you multiply by 2 you will get diameter, and if diameter given, if you divide by 2 then you will get radius. So these are all the concept related to the center. Related to the circle. So these all you must know very carefully. Today up to this, thank you all the students.